In this video, we'll show you how to use job templates in Fergus to create jobs faster and more consistently. Job templates let you save the structure of a job and reuse it whenever you're creating similar work. This is especially helpful if you regularly complete the same type of job with the same steps or information. By using templates, you can reduce admin time and make sure every job is set up with the right details from the start. Let's start by creating a job template. To create a template, open an existing job that you want to use as your base. From there, click into Job Settings and select Save as Template. This will open the Save Template window. Here you can enter a template name. This will usually be pre-filled from the job title. You can also review or update the template description, which is pulled from the job description. Next, choose which parts of the job you want to include in the template by ticking or unticking the options. Once you're ready, click Save Template. Your template is now saved and ready to use for future jobs. Now, let's look at how to apply a job template. When creating a new job, you'll see a template drop-down. From here, you can search for or select the template you want to use. Once selected, Fergus will automatically apply the template and pre-fill the job with the saved information. You can then review the details, make any changes if needed, and finish creating the job. When a template is applied, a few things happen automatically. The job type linked to the template will be applied, and the job type selector will be locked. If needed, you can remove or switch the template before completing the job. If you haven't created any templates yet, you won't see the template option during job creation. To manage your templates, head to Settings, then Job Templates. From here, you can view all your templates, including their name, description, job type, creation date, last used date, and how often they've been used. You can also create a job directly from the template, edit the template details, or delete a template. If you're using Fergus Go, templates will appear once you've created at least one. They're listed alphabetically and can be searched for quick access. You'll also be able to see the job type, title, and description for each template. To keep things simple on mobile, template contents can't be edited in Fergus Go. And that's it. Job templates are a simple way to speed up job creation and make sure every job starts with the right setup.